Hi guys, welcome to this section of X ads. So let's have a look at what all things we are going to cover in this particular section. So we're going to start off looking at the X ads overview, understanding why you should be advertising with X platform, the X ad structure, how to open this account, the various campaign objectives you find in this X ads platform, and then setting up a website traffic campaign. We'll see how you can use different targeting features this platform gives you. Also, I'll show you the different placements which you can do over here, placement targetings, X-ad creatives, which you can create here. Also, we will see how to set up a campaign to get more reach and how you can do conversion tracking setup as well on this platform. I will also show you some custom audiences which you can create with the help of X-ads. I hope by the end of this section, you understand how to use X-ads effectively for your business and for your clients. So thank you once again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.